What's going on, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the 07 F-150. So I decided to upgrade to the platinum wheels, and obviously these are the original stems. Found this tool in Amazon. It seems to be pretty phenomenal with regards to how to take these off. Excuse the crazy rooster going in the background. Anyways, super easy to do. You just literally pull away, and I saw a lot of videos online, but I was like, this is so dummy proof. And there she goes. Rather than marring or damaging your rim, it makes the process so much easier. And with that being said, I'm also upgrading to this style, the TPMS sensors, since this particular year came with the band style TPMS sensor wrapped around the wheel, and I was like, cost effectiveness or more modern and already pre-programmed for the truck. I'm like, this would do it for me. I would like to link everything in the description, but sometimes Amazon tends to change, or the vendors decide to like not continue. And so if you're looking for something, that's what you're looking for. And particularly if you're looking for this tool, obviously just forget about this little valve here, because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. But that's the design of it. So if you look for something like that, that's going to be the main one to get that going. Super easy to install, obviously. Torqued out to 1.5 newton meters for the bolt, and then 4 newton meters for the top. I'm like, why am I going to have to go pay somebody to do it when I can just do this thing from home, and then just add air, put some soap around there or some silicone, and it just basically will get the tire to pop, and we'll be good to go and mount these bad boys and make my truck look more modern. So that's just my 2 cents. So anyways, guys, thanks for looking. Subscribe for more content, and as always, hit the like button or comment below and let me know what you think. Talk to you guys soon.